Hey there! Leave everything and pay attention to what I'm about to say. This is important if you are serious about improving your business conversions and sales. Did you know you can boost content and brand engagement by 10 times using sensational multimedia assets? In fact, as per a recent marketing study, using attention-grabbing multimedia assets such as images, GIFs, memes, graphics, and video helps brands stand out in the growing content clutter. It also persuades your prospects to click on your social media posts, videos, articles, and ads, leading to a deeper engagement for your content and brand. Don't believe us? Here are some mind-blowing facts. 94% of visitors leave a website and don't buy if they don't find any images or graphics. Yes, that's true. Recent marketing stats also show that articles with images, GIFs, and memes manage to grab 94% more views. Even social media posts and ads with images and multimedia content yield a whopping 650% more engagements than text-only posts. So there's no doubt including multimedia assets in your marketing campaigns are the need of the hour. Wondering why? Because we live in a fast-paced world, and customers are constantly bombarded with distractions. So, the only proven way to capture their attention is with outstanding images, HD videos, graphics, animations, GIFs, memes, and other multimedia content. It's very important that you use these high-impact design elements in your ads, website, articles, videos, and in many other marketing campaigns. No wonder top brands and marketers pay handsome cash for using such premium stock multimedia assets. And if you are still not using attention-grabbing multimedia assets in your marketing campaigns, then you are losing out big time. But wait a minute. There are 4 big problems when it comes to using multimedia assets. Problem number 1. Buying multimedia assets from popular stock sites will cost you a fortune. You'll end up paying huge recurring fees to popular stock sites to download even one image, graphics, stock videos, icons, and other creatives. Just imagine paying $100 per month for only one image. It's too expensive, right? Problem number 2. Doing it all yourself. If you are running on a tight marketing budget, the only option is to do it yourself. But the problem is spending hours learning design and editing skills, and invest hugely in complex design software. Chances are that you'll end up risking everything. So, it's not well suited. Problem number 3. Using copyrighted multimedia assets may get you sued. You may think of using images and other creatives from Google or from other competitors for your campaigns. But trust us, you may land in legal soup and may even go to jail. Problem number 4. Hiring a professional graphic designer or design agency and spending big. Well, this is the most common way of creating attention-grabbing designs for your marketing campaigns. But even novice graphic designers and agencies charge a bomb to create one graphic. And every time you do this, you are sure to spend dearly. What if we say that your problem of spending lots of money to access multimedia assets is going to end forever? Yes, that's true. We, IM Review Squad, and Logic Beam Softwares decided to fix this problem forever. After spending thousands of dollars and months into R&D, we are here with a revolutionary all-in-one design solution. Introducing PixaStudio. The only impeccable solution to your design problems with over 15 million royalty-free multimedia assets that you can download and customize using the simplest drag-and-drop design app. Plus, sell these multimedia assets to your customers at any price. Now, forget paying for stock images, vector graphics, animated GIFs, icons, and stickers, and HD stock videos and other multimedia assets ever again. This all-in-one click, customize, profit solution lets you access and download 15 million plus premium royalty-free multimedia assets. Create stunning promotional marketing material in any shapes and sizes with the most easiest drag-and-drop Photoshop-like editor. Plus, empowers you to start your very own profitable 6-figure design agency business in minutes, and so much more. Using PixaStudio is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step number 1. Type a keyword to search an image, video, or anything from PixaStudio's massive library. Step number 2. Preview selected resource and customize it using our inbuilt image editor. Step number 3. That's it! Save and download your resource in the desired file format or directly share it on social media. PixaStudio has everything to create attention-grabbing designs and start your profitable design agency business in minutes. With PixaStudio in your arsenal, you get to access 12 million plus searchable images, over 1 million searchable GIFs and memes, 2 million plus searchable stock videos, over 20,000 searchable icons and stickers, 200,000 plus high-definition stock images, over 15,000 vector graphics, over 10,000 downloadable animated GIFs, Photoshop-like image editor, viral quotes collection, and so much more. Plus, PixaStudio comes with a commercial license, allowing you to sell 15 million plus multimedia assets and designs to your clients at the price you want to command. It's your doorway to a 6-figure design agency business that you can start in minutes. In short, PixaStudio opens the floodgates to a massive income stream. All these powerful features make PixaStudio a must for social media marketers, graphic designers, content creators, e-commerce marketers, video marketers, affiliates, local business owners, bloggers, YouTubers, website designers, and possibly every niche on the planet. Now, you must be wondering how much PixaStudio will cost me. Well, today is your lucky day, because if you act now, you can grab this amazing all-in-one design suite at a real low price. You also get an exclusive bonus pack worth thousands of dollars for free. Plus, you get an instant access to a step-by-step training material and see your first design ready in just 60 seconds. Now, you decide to go for this incredible multimedia stock and design solution or continue wasting money on other stock sites. But make it as fast as this is a limited time offer. You close this page and this special deal will be a goner. If you're still not sure about PixaStudio, try PixaStudio with a risk-free 30 days money-back guarantee. Yes, you face no risk for trying out this stunning design software. So, what are you waiting for? Hit the buy now button below before this offer goes away.